equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a pair of scissors. These will be essential for the maintenance of your Dyson HD07. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Start by removing the dustbin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This is a crucial step as it allows you to access the filter and internal components. Next, take your soft brush and gently clean the dustbin. Make sure to remove any debris that may have accumulated. For a deeper clean, rinse the dustbin with warm water and let it dry completely before reattaching it. Now, let's focus on the filter. Locate the filter at the top of the vacuum. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents as this can damage the filter. Allow it to dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. While the filter is drying, take a moment to inspect the brush bar. Use your scissors to carefully cut away any hair or threads that may be wrapped around it. This will help maintain the suction power of your Dyson. If you notice any significant wear or damage, consider replacing the brush bar. After cleaning the brush bar, check the hose for blockages. Detach it from the main body and inspect it thoroughly. If you find any obstructions, use a long object, like a broom handle, to gently push them out. This step is vital for ensuring optimal airflow. If you're unsure about handling this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your vacuum. Start by placing the filter back in its compartment and twisting it to secure it. Then, reattach the dustbin by aligning it with the main body and pushing it until you hear a click. Finally, give your Dyson HD07 a quick wipe down with a microfiber cloth to keep it looking new. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vacuum but also ensures it operates at peak performance. If you'd like a quote before repair or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. By following these steps, you can keep your Dyson HD07 in excellent condition, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.